What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and hope you're doing great. This is episode 2 of the McLeodganj series. अभी हम जा रहे हैं McLeodganj से पालमपुर. So we just realized that जो होटल हमने बुक करवाया था that is not in पालमपुर. वो है at a place called Gopalpur. Gopalpur is a village in Kangra that is just near to Palampur. So we've arrived at Hotel Wildcrest. This is the hotel in Gopalpur. हमने इस होटल के लिए दिए हैं 2500 rupees for a triple occupancy room. And let's see how the hotel is. We are just spending one day, so that's a bit difficult to cover all the places. So we'll be covering the places that are along Gopalpur. Even though the monasteries are closed, we won't be able to get inside, but हम फिर भी बाहर से we'll still visit the place. And एक मैंने सुना है कि गोपालपुर के साथ जो मोनेस्ट्री है उसके साथ देयर इज़ अ गुरुद्वारा ऑल्सो, सो हम वहाँ भी जाके आएंगे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वील बी गोइंग टू द टी गार्डन्स. This is the monastery, but because of corona scenes, this is currently closed. And if we go down this way, we have another institute and a gurdwara on this way. It's closed, but let's see if we could take a shot of this. Okay. This is the view. गोपालपुर से ऊपर जब हम आते हैं तो we see this गुरुद्वारा. It is still under construction. वाहेगुरु जी. As we can see, the Gurdwara is under construction and people are working. Seva chaldi pai hai. It is being constructed. So we are now going back to the hotel and we'll see the other tourist places that are here. But most of the places in McLeodganj are closed because of corona things, and the temples, the monasteries, everything is closed at the moment. Palampur adventure place नहीं है. It is more of a peaceful place. So like when you're frustrated from your day-to-day life, you just want peace. You don't want anybody to disturb you. Then you can go to Palampur. Palampur is such a peaceful place. Also अगर आप बच्चों के साथ जा रहे हैं तो there is a zoo जहाँ आप जा सकते हैं बच्चों को लेके, and you'll see some good animals there. Apparently this is not the right time to visit because most of the things are closed due to corona. The monasteries, temples, even the zoo is closed. And guys, this is the place where we'll be having the food. The place is having a 4.9 star rating on Google Maps. Let's see the place. It's absolutely clean. So guys, we've just came from the restaurant that we went to, and I must say that even though it was having a rating of 4.9 on Google Maps, but the food was at par. Food ज़्यादा अच्छा भी नहीं था, बुरा भी नहीं था, but I would say they could do better. So if you're coming here, तो आप खाना खा सकते हो. That would be पेट भरने के लिए खा सकते हो, but that is not very tasty. That is not as per the ratings that are given on Google. यहाँ पे there are many stalls from where you can get teas, different types की. यहाँ पे different types की आपको चाय मिल जाएगी, green teas, and the other thing is कि जब आप यहाँ आ रहे हैं you can even taste इनसे चाय. आप taste कर सकते हैं and they will give you the चाय, you can taste it and उस base पे आप buy कर सकते हैं. इनके पास different बीमारियों के लिए भी चाय है, like sugar control करने के लिए, BP के लिए. We are at the tea gardens just at the side of that cafe and you can see the view from here. Have a look. We are stopping at a local wine and pickle shop. You can come to this shop and यहाँ पे you'll get a variety of wines. ये देखा, different fruits. आपको यहाँ पे alcoholic and non-alcoholic दोनों wines मिल जाएंगे. And in this shop we have सर आपका नाम? नितेश. तो आपके पास कौन से फ्लेवर्स में वाइन?
सर हमारे पास अलग अलग फ्रूट है, जैसे प्लम, एप्पल, पीच, पेयर, ग्रेप्स, एप्रिकॉट, स्ट्रॉबेरी और ग्रेपफ्रूट.
ओके, सारे टाइप के फ्रूट्स हैं.
हमारे पास पिकल्स वगैरह होंगे.
ओके,
एप्पल साइडर विनेगर.
ओके, ये आपके सारे पिकल्स हो गए. ओके, तो आपकी स्टार्टिंग रेंज वगैरह क्या है प्राइसेस की? ये वाइन्स की होगी.
वाइन्स की सर 400 से 900.
400 से 900. और पिकल्स आपके?
पिकल्स सर जैसे 130, 150, 160 अलग अलग प्राइसेस हैं.
ओके, ठीक है. तो आप यहाँ आ सकते हैं एंड यू कैन मीट नितेश एंड ही विल गिव यू द बेस्ट प्राइजेस. थैंक यू नितेश.
थैंक यू सर.
We were going to Newgal Khad, but we lost track of time and अंधेरा हो गया. So we have decided कि हम वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे. But in the middle of nowhere, we found this cafe named Cliffy's Cafe. So let's see how the cafe is. If you're coming to this place, I recommend trying their wide variety of dosas. इनके पास chocolate dosa है, they've got Szechuan dosa, pizza dosa, they've even got chicken dosa as well. So when you're coming here, you can try the dosas. I highly recommend it. And if you've got a sweet tooth, you're going to love this place. Guys, the food is amazing here and we're just leaving now. It started to rain. चलो. तो guys, we are checking out from hotel Wildcrest, right? So जब भी आप यहाँ आएंगे, you can meet the hotel manager. सर आपका नाम क्या है? अनिल. तो अनिल आपको यहाँ पे मिलेंगे and I must say the stay at this hotel was wonderful and cleanliness proper थी. And मैंने सर को एक रिव्यू बताया and they were saying कि आज वो ठीक हो जाएगा. तो thank you so much sir. We're leaving for Beer now. Thank you. And that's it for the vlog, guys. इस vlog के लिए इतना ही and I will see you in the next vlog where we'll be going for paragliding and some other adventure activities.